So first is I will going to open Microsoft Excel and create a new workbook. So mag-start na tayo. Next is enter a random data in two columns, column A and column B. So in column A, we're going to add a 7 rows and also 7 rows in column B. So in column A, maglagay tayo ng words. Okay na yung names. So ayan. Meron na. Next naman is drag down natin siya in 6 times. So ayan. So next in column B, lagay lang po natin yung equal sign. Yan. One and 10 para magkaroon ng random number. So ayan. Then drag down ulit natin para magkaroon na ng random numbers. Yan. So yan po. Yan po yung so yan po yung enter a random data in two columns. So now let's move here in performing 4 arithmetic operations using formulas. These are the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and also division. So first, we're going to add this one, 23 plus 76 plus 9 plus 657. So the formula is equal sign and shift A. Yan. Then plus 76. Then plus 9. Then plus 67. Enter. So the total is 765. So lalagay po natin. Yan. 765. So now, proceed in subtraction. Yan. So the formula is equal sign, then D, 2, then minus sign, 76, minus 89, minus 98, equal. So this is the total of subtraction. Lagay po natin, minus 28. Now we're going to proceed in multiplication. So same with the formula, equal sign, and H, yan, then asterisk, then yan, also yan, enter. So 1 million, lagay po natin. So wait lang guys. 106. Guys. 1,000,000. Point 6. Then now we're going to proceed in division. Next is I'm going to show you how to start or sort data. So here in column A, naglagay ako ng A to Z letters ng mga names, animals, fruits, things na nakashuffle, and also here in column B naman is nakashuffle na numbers. So ayan, we need to copy all of these letters, then hanapin ang sort A to Z. Yan. Hanggang sa mag-alphabetical sila. So, ayan. And gawin din po natin siya in numbers. Copy din po natin yung numbers 1 to 26. Then, hanapin natin yung sort A to Z. Hanggang sa mag-alphabetical din sila. So, ayan po, yung numbers na naka-alphabetical na. And, So, next naman po is I will going to create a chart using the values from column A. So, first, makikita nyo naman dito na naglagay muna ako ng mga examples, names, and age. And pagtapos nito, copy lang po natin yung column B. Yan. Then, click lang po natin yung insert. And hanapin po natin yung insert column or bar chart. Yan. So, here, makikita nyo naman na may iba't ibang characteristics ng mga charts. Mamimili na lang po tayo dito. So, kapag na-click po natin ito, matik na po na malalagay na po yung title po natin as your name. So, kapag na-click ko po to, magiging title niya na po yung name ko. Yan. So, lagay lang po natin yun dyan. So, dito naman po sa chart style, mamimili na lang po kayo dito kung anong style nung chart na pipiliin nyo. Yan. Yan. Makikita nyo po dito kung na nakalagay yung mga age na nilagay nyo dito sa examples and your title. So, that's all.